we are going to solve a problem containing functional equation. Let's read the problem. Let f is a function is defined as from r to r such that f of x plus f of y equals to f of x plus y, and g is a function is defined as from r plus to r such that g of xy equals to g of x plus g of y. If f of 8 equals to k1, g of 8 equals to 3k1 and g of e equals to 1, then find the value of greatest integer of k1 plus 1. Now we are going to solve this by some concepts of functional equations. Now discuss some concept first. If f of x plus f of y equals to f of x plus y, then I can write f of x as equals to x alpha, where alpha is a constant. We can write this by the property of linear function. So that is, f of x will be a linear function of x. So let's suppose f of x equals to x alpha, and is given in the question that f of 8 equals to k1. So we can just put in the value. We are getting f of 8 equals to 8 alpha, that is equals to k1, and it is given that g of xy equals to g of x plus g of y. So by the properties of logarithm, we can say g of x equals to log of x to the base a. Now from the question you can check that this function, where it is defined from r plus to r, and also the function logarithm is defined for this. So we can assume that g of x equals to log of x to the base a. Now it is given g of e equals 1. So we are now putting the values. Log of 1, log of e to the base a equals to 1. Now you can say e equals to a. So our function reduced to like this, ln x. Now it is also given that g of 8 equals to 3k1, and from this function we can write it is ln of 8, right? So from this k1 equals to 3 ln 2, that is from this function, by this 3, and it is equals to ln 2. Now we have the values k1. Now going to solve for the main answer, k1 plus 1, it is equals to 1 plus ln 2. Now ln 2 is smaller than 1, so this total term will be smaller than 2. Now for 1 plus ln 2, that is equals to greatest integer of k1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This will be our answer.